If you're working in Microsoft Edge and you want to save time, keep an exact copy of a page or open the same tab in two places at once. Duplicating a tab is the fastest way to do it. In this video, I'll show you how to duplicate a tab in Microsoft Edge in just a few seconds. This is a super simple trick, but it's really useful when you want to compare pages, keep one tab on the same site while you browse somewhere else, or avoid losing your place on an important web page. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more quick Microsoft Edge tips and easy software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Microsoft Edge and make sure the tab you want to copy is already open. This can be any web page, like a document, a dashboard, a shopping page, or even a video page. Once you've found the tab you want to duplicate, move your mouse to the tab at the top of the browser window, then right-click directly on that tab. When the menu appears, look for the option that says Duplicate Tab. Click it once and Microsoft Edge will instantly create a new tab that opens the same page. You'll now have two identical tabs side by side, both showing the same website. From here, you can use one tab for browsing and keep the other tab as a backup, or compare changes without having to reopen the page manually. This is especially helpful if you're filling out forms, researching online, or working with pages that refresh often, and that's really all there is to it. Right-click the tab, choose Duplicate Tab, and Edge does the rest for you. It's a fast built-in feature that can save you time every day. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.